Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused.
Hey guys, it's Serena. And for today's video, I'm going to be filming a kind of like everyday fall makeup tutorial look that I've been doing basically every damn day for the month of fall. It's kind of just a quick and easy look. It's not too hard. Anyone can do this. You guys have seen me use these products so many times. These are my all-time favorites. So I just thought I'd share my, daily routine with y'all. But yeah, before you guys continue watching this video, be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below as well as the end card of this video. As well as subscribing to my channel, y'all. Do not leave this video. I'm telling y'all. I see you, sis. I see you. Do not leave this video without subscribing to my channel and clicking those bell notification buttons to be notified every time your girl posts. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look or whatever, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so starting out first with my primer, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover RX. I already applied that off camera. Then I'm taking my two favorite foundations. This is the Fenty and the Nars All Day Luminous one, the Natural Radiant one. I'm taking both of those and putting them on my face. The Fenty one's a little bit too dark for me, and then the Nars one's a little bit too light, so I just mix the two together and then put them on my face and blend them together, and yeah. Then for concealer, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I'm putting that underneath my eyes, bridging my nose, forehead, and upper lip. Then I'm following up with the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay, because the Butterscotch one is a little light. I kind of like it like that, but I wanted to add a little bit more of my skin tone into it, so I just placed that shade on top, and all shades will be down below as per usual. And then I'm just blending it in with my beauty blender that is damp. Then for powder, I'm taking my amazing Patrick Starrr powder. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy he's bringing this back, y'all, so you guys will be able to get it. December 6th, I think, is when it drops for MAC. But yeah, I'm just setting my entire face with that where I put concealer. And then the places I didn't put concealer, I'm taking my Mercier medium deep powder, just the matte one, and setting the rest of my face with that. I didn't want to set my face with the Patrick powder because it's a little light to put everywhere, so I just set it in the places I put that lighter concealer. Then I'm taking my Too Faced bronzer. This is the Dark Chocolate Soleil. I'm just going to be contouring up my face, bronzing it up, the usual. And you know your girl gotta have a snatch nose, so I'm just snatching up my nose with it as well. Then I'm taking my blush from Becca in the shade Songbird. I'm going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks and blending it into my bronzer. I'm taking some powder on my Morphe sponge, and I'm putting it on that sharp edge to cut out my contour and my nose contour. Then I'm taking that Too Faced bronzer and putting it on my eyelids just so I have some color on there. Then I'm just buffing away that bake that we had on from earlier. Then I'm taking the E.L.F. Clear Brow Gel and I'm putting that on my brows to set them. Then, so my face doesn't look dry as hell, I'm taking the Morphe setting mist and spraying my face, and then I'm following up with some Teloscopic mascara from Loreal. Then I'm taking my Nars Larger Than Life eyeliner and I'm putting that in my waterline just so I can have it like be brighter and my eyes don't look as dull. I want my eyes to look a little bit more brighter, so I'm putting that in my waterline. Then I'm taking my Ardell stack lashes in the 231 style, and I'm going to be putting those on off camera. Then I switched to highlight. Y'all know this is my favorite highlighter ever, the Anastasia Ultimate Glow Kit. Unfortunately, it is discontinued, but y'all, I just can't stop using it, and I pay good money for this, so I'm not finna not use it. I'm sorry. Then I'm just putting it in my inner corners and brow bone just to highlight, and also my nose. Then I'm taking my favorite lip liner from NYX. It's in the shade Brown, and I'm going to be lining my lips. This is damn near the only lip liner that I use besides like another one from Kylie Jenner, but literally these lip liners are so good and so inexpensive, so I definitely recommend them. Then I'm filling my lips in with another discontinued product. I'm sorry guys, but it's my fave. It's just a MAC lipstick. It's just a nude color. You guys can wear any nude you guys have, but I'm wearing that. And then I'm topping it off with the NYX clear lingerie lip gloss. Then I'm setting my face with the Morphe setting spray and the Urban Decay All Nighter, and y'all are done. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of this is the end of my tutorial where I show you guys my everyday makeup look for fall. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to follow me on all my social media sites. They will all be linked down below in the down bar, as well as the end card of this video. And also subscribe to my channel before you leave, please. Please subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on your bell notification button so you're notified every time I post. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Alright, bye guys.